Okay, so plotting coordinates then. The most important thing you need to know is which one comes first. So it's the x coordinate first, followed by the y. Now the x coordinate is a movement in this axis. So if I just highlight that, the x-axis. And then the second coordinate y is a movement in the y-axis. So if we look at that, the x represents either left or right, and the y coordinate represents either up or down. If you look at the axes, if you go right, it is positive numbers, and if you go left, it is negative numbers. If you go up, it's a positive number, and if you go down, it's a negative number. So let's just do a few examples. If we had to plot the coordinate 3, 2, that means 3 across right in the axes and then 2 up. So the easiest way you can do it is start from the centre and then imagine where you're going to go. So 3 across and then 2 up. So follow it with your finger and then make that mark with a coordinate symbol. So you just put a little cross, 3, 2. Let's try another one. Let's say we had to do 8, 5. Start from the centre, guide across to 8, so across the axes, and then up for 5, and that's that point there. And again, then once you've got that position, you can just put yourself across. Let's try another one. If you had to do -2, 3. Slightly different. This time we have to go from the centre, we have to go left to start with. So across to -2 and then up still to 3 because it's a positive 3, and then make that mark there. So -2, 3. Okay, I'm just going to go to a different axis. So let's just go up and let's have a look at a few more coordinates. So if I had the coordinate 4, -2 this time. Across the axes first of all, so across 4, and then down 2, and then make your coordinate. Let's try another one. We could have -2, -3. So firstly, we go from the centre, we go -2, so it's left, across to -2, and then down to -3. And again, just make your mark. -2, -3. Now there are some which some people find more challenging when we bring in a 0. So let's have a look at 0, 3. Now what that's telling us to do is start from the centre, 0. And actually it's not telling us to go right or left. It's not giving us a number. We're staying at 0. So we're staying there. And then the 3 is telling us we need to go up the y-axis. So don't go anywhere left or right. We stay as we are and we just go up 3. So that just sits on that axis line. If we try the other one, so let's say 0, -2. This one is again telling us don't go anywhere. Oh, don't go anywhere on the axis. So just stay in the centre at 0, but come down this time to -2. So that'll be that position there. We can also get them where we've got the y coordinate to be 0. So let's have a look at -7, 0. That's telling us to go across to -7. So from the centre across to -7. But then it's not telling us to go up or down. So it's just staying at that -7. So that would be located there. Alternatively, if we were asked to do 9, 0, similar process. We start from 0, it's telling us to go across 9, but again, don't go anywhere up or down. So that would be that location there.